In this video, we are going to talk about the one-way chi-square. Let's first review what we know. When we use a one-sample t-test, our dependent variable is quantitative, and we use the summary statistics of mean and standard deviation to test the hypotheses about the means. If your dependent variable is qualitative, the appropriate summary statistics would be counts and percentages. Thus, we use the one-way chi-square test for our hypotheses. Some examples that would use the one-way chi-square test, which focus on a single variable, analyze that if a variable's distribution pattern differs from a known pattern. Some examples of this are on this slide. In our notes, we look at the color distribution of M&Ms in a fun pack. Our research question: is there sufficient evidence to conclude that certain colors occur more often than others, has a dependent variable of colors, which is qualitative. When looking at the which test flowchart, we see that when you have one variable, color, and it is qualitative, we use the one-way chi-square test. When writing our statistical hypotheses, we are looking at the proportions of each color. Thus, we use p, which does not represent the p-value. The null hypothesis is that all the proportions are equal. We can write this in one of two ways, as shown on the slide. In the alternative hypothesis, we are trying to prove that the proportions are not all equal, which is written as the null is not true.